Alright, so just log in. Okay, now and log out, I guess. Yeah. And then just log in again. Yeah. Okay, so review user profile.
Review user profile, where is that?
So it doesn't matter if it takes you a while to figure it out, I just want to see how easy it is. So yeah. So if you are Jesh, so yeah. So you sort of just click on that, yep, so that's how you do it, cool, so you figured it out. Details and stuff. If you wanted to edit your information, how'd you do that?
Edit profile?
Yeah. Okay, so then...
that's all your information.
Yep. So you change the information, then what do you reckon you'd do?
I'd go return to profile or update details.
Yeah. Cool.
And that would be that, and then return to profile.
Yeah. Okay. So now create a group.
Create a group. Okay, current group, global teamwork group finder, I guess. Unit code, invite your existing team, find a team, active requests.
So you want to create a group.
Where do I go to create
Yeah.
a group?
So we'll have to go back to teamwork, so back to the home page.
Teamwork.
Yeah. Actually, no, sorry, you're right, go from group finder.
Group finder?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry. I was thinking from the supervisors. So find a group to join, yeah. So you want to find a team. Yeah,
find a team.
Sorry.
So,
yeah.
Which one of these?
Anyone. Just Capstone, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like to have similar GPA?
Sure.
So you've got to assume that you've filled out information previously to get into this. So like you filled out your GPA and what skills you have and that sort of stuff. Like basic information. Well, you can see it by looking at your basic information. So on there, that's all the stuff you previously filled
GPA is 7,
yeah.
PHP.
Yeah.
JavaScript.
And that's your blurb and stuff. So all this stuff is already information that's passed when you go find a group. Sorry. So yeah, so go to Group Finder.
Alright.
Which you're on. And then, yeah, so you want to join a team.
Okay. Capstone.
Do you understand what that means?
Project, no idea what this means.
So those are the types of program. So that's a type of program project you want. So like a research type.
And are we doing web stuff?
Okay, whatever you're interested in. Yeah,
so web analysis and development, I guess. Submit.
Yeah. Cool.
You already have a request for a group in this episode. Please resolve it.
Because you already log in. So yeah, but you know how you figured out how to do that, right?
Okay.
So this site is for you to go on to join as a group with people, and also to find projects to complete for your unit. That's what the site's for.
Okay.
I should give you that information. So then see if you can see. Do you have any active requests? Oh, you're already in a group, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so managing group information. So
these are all groups, I'm guessing?
Yep.
And so I'm going to open this.
Yep.
Those are my members. Those are project details. Project type is Birdwatch. Group details. Rename group is null. Start vote. Daemon dance. It's votes. And so this is group management stuff here.
Yep. So what can you see that you can do?
I can leave. I can vote. Is this like kicking people out of it?
Yep. Yep. So you can kick those people. You can start a vote to kick them. Kick
Right.
people. Yep.
Should I do that, or is that going to be bad? Okay.
What else can you see that you can do on there? What else does it look like you can do?
It looks like I can contact people on Skype. Looks like there's a link to your Skype. It looks like these don't link to anything. Rename group to, so group name is null, I'm guessing.
Yep, so you can read. What can you do in that?
I can type it in, team 1. apply it.
And what's that going to do?
Team 1 apply.
Yeah, but what is it doing? What are you doing?
Renaming it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay. So manage files. So you've got files. So you're in a group, and you want to share files. How do you do that?
I want to share a file. Let's see. Send. So it's messaging. It's team 1. All right. Cool. Let's see. Josh, that's files, I'm guessing. Files. Yep. Choose file. Any of these. Put it in. Overwrite existing files. Sharing public. And then I click upload. And I'm guessing it would upload to one of these. Yep. Or just be added to this. And then your group downloads it or deletes it.
Yeah. And what are those things there on the screen?
Those are files that your friends have shared to you,
yeah.
I'm guessing? Okay.
And what can you do with those files?
You can download them.
Yeah.
Yeah, which I'm going to do. But what should I do?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm just walking you through how, see how you interpret the.
Okay.
And what else can you do?
On this page?
Yeah, what else can you do with the files, existing files?
Download and delete them. Yeah. Well,
it's pretty obvious, isn't it? You have to say these obvious things. Okay, so now I want you to go and try and apply for a project.
Apply for a project. So go to projects. I've already applied to all of these. Apply to a new one because apparently I haven't applied to this. So go apply, and I set a cover letter here. So okay, I want to apply this. And I submit application.
Don't press it.
Don't press it.
Yeah. So do you get that? See how that's just a
cover letter. Yeah.
So maybe it'd be good if we had the cover letter and the information, that information that you get when you press your thing.
Yeah, be able to insert all of this into it as well.
But you can't actually see it, can you, when you go there?
Yeah, because you can only type in your cover letter.
So it'd be nice if they formatted that above the cover letter, maybe, or something like that.
Yeah, like a Facebook page, sort of like, here it is, this is all my details and my cover letter, and just send that in a bulk thing to the project.
It's sent like that. Yeah, it's all sent together, but you don't see how it's sent, do you?
Oh, you don't see how it's sent. Yeah. So that's the problem that you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, but what else? Is there anything else at the moment that you can think of?
5, Birdwatch, files, team.
I mean, just how it's working so far. Like, what do you think of it so far?
It's pretty simple. Probably remove group, remove member, current votes. So I'm guessing these will come up with like values once you're like this just kind of reads stuff off to like current votes. Okay.
Yeah.
And files, add existing. So everyone can delete files that you upload, and you can delete yours. But they will have control over the files that you put there. All right.
So we're going to the group. It depends if it's public or private.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See how there's the student list teamwork. So it's 3.1 kilobytes and it's group only.
Okay. Yeah. Public link. Group only. Public link. Okay. All right.
Contacting group members, and I want you to do that through the chat function.
Chat function, so Team 1, Damon Jones, Josh Johnson, Jane Doe, first message. Josh Johnson, Damon Jones. Okay,
yep,
so this is all test stuff.
Yeah. So who are you talking to and stuff, like explain to me how you think that works.
I'm guessing it'll just be like Facebook, you just go test, send, and press enter or whatever, and it'll come up.
So you want to talk to your team?
Okay, team, I go to that.
Yeah.
Test message, press enter, comes up.
Nice.
Cool. Alright.
And then it's in the global?
Global? What time are we saying? Okay,
you reckon global is?
I would think that's part of like the whole...
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay. So that's pretty easy to understand?
Yeah, fairly. So that's like a group, and that's just individual people.
Yeah, and that's the team name you changed, eh?
Yeah, team 1. Yeah.
You rename the group. So that's your group, and then the individuals in your group.
Cool.
Mm.
Damon, Josh, and that's me, Josh.
And what do you think of the chat?
Yeah, it gives me the date and the time there. So it's the 16th of September, 11:33, at Damon, at Josh. So that's Josh saying that?
That's you, yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
I'm guessing you can like, in other chats you can go like at Damon test. So you can like send it to a particular person. But you can just, I guess you can just do that here, can't you? You don't have to do it in the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
Cool. That's good that you worked through that. That's good. Okay. So Skype chat. Go find out how to Skype someone.
Okay, team 1. So that's Damon. We want to Skype this person.
Yeah.
That's their about me. That's their LinkedIn.
So
that's their
just
Skype Ditto power.
yeah.
And it launches the application.
Mhm.
Okay.
So just click do nothing.
Do nothing.
Yep.
So,
So then you want to. What else? Go back to the thingy, to the page, previous page.
yep.
So what else can you do within the Skype stuff? What else can you see there?
So
It's calling individuals, yeah.
calling individuals. Group call.
Yeah.
Alright.
Good.
And
Just do nothing.
okay.
So that group call
Launches it to all those people. Okay.
Cool. Nice, you got that. Okay. Okay. Now, you want to log out,
Well, yeah.
and then change Jess to Josh, and you want to log in as a supervisor.
Was it test?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. So logging in now. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go create a. So what do you see here?
I see teamwork.
Sorry, just before this, so the supervisor. This is the person who's like a teacher.
Yep.
Supervising the project. And then I'll have, just like you were a user before, you were in a group, member of a group before. So supervisors have a couple of groups to deal with.
Yep.
Yeah. So, and they create projects and stuff like that. So, yeah. So what do you see here?
Okay, so I see teamwork. I'm guessing this is this a project itself, or like are these individual projects?
Okay, so go up. So that title thing saying your project doesn't stand out well enough, does it?
Yeah, your project supervisor 1.
So that's you.
That's me.
So if your projects was bigger, you would understand that these things are all projects.
I guess if I just read it,
yeah, yeah, but it has to, maybe if it was.
Yeah, like put in like red or something. I don't know.
Like flashy. Yeah. Okay. All right. So what else can you see?
Okay, so it's giving a description, requirements for a program, project type, skills, unit, applications. Running into this project to begin my career. Okay, so these are students that have applied to this project.
Yep.
And you can edit your project, you can see where it starts, where it's going to end on 23rd of October, so it's already ended.
Yeah, okay.
This is Birdwatch, create an Android, so it gives you a description, requirements for all the same stuff.
Yeah.
And if I wanted to edit it, which I don't really want to do, I can just go to that. I don't want to delete it. I can save it.
Alright, before you get into it, I'll get you to go create a project.
So changes.
So go back to where you were.
Alright, back. Oh dear.
Try not to use back, but just use the navigation. Navigation bar is the top.
Oh yeah, this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So click view projects.
View projects.
And that's it. That's your home site. Okay. So create a project. So you're supervising when you go create a project.
Create projects. Yep. Project title, description, project
So you just type it in. Create it.
Okay. Test.
No, try and put a little bit of stuff into it.
Okay. Okay.
Well, no, actually, it doesn't matter. Just like project is yeah. Requirements, people and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Project type reference 1. So this is like, okay, so you need a reference
so
for
you
that.
Get that now? You get the link? Yeah. So this is the type of
database skills required. web development. Unit code, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Project start. Da da da.
Just use the drop down menu. It's
Ah,
easy to just click
yeah.
there. But
Okay.
no, the one I have to.
So that. Okay. Okay. You have like 10 days to do it. Sorry. Deliverables due date.
So just just input a date in,
Okay.
and just don't click that. Just take out a couple of fields that you put in. Just delete some of the stuff in it.
Fields.
Yeah, just delete that. And delete something else.
Alright.
And go create.
You're missing requirements. Okay, that's good.
Okay, so then try and complete it.
That's
That's pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah, it's pretty. It's like just the
Yeah.
basic thing.
Yeah.
Great. So I'm guessing it's done, and you can view your projects, which is going to be test.
So you didn't see the project created thing, did you?
Yeah, sorry, there's a green
Oh, okay.
letters.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. But where is it though? Project title, meta, view projects.
So
Should
it
it?
hasn't come up yet, but you understand that it would go there.
Yeah, it would come up here.
Yeah, I think that's just to do with we've got to assign supervisor numbers to it, I think.
Yeah.
And then it'll come up. But anyway, you get that.
And we can
Okay.
view the groups that we have.
Creating projects, so reviewing applications.
Reviewing applications.
What?
Oh, I was just
Oh, yeah.
viewing groups. Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, review applications, got a new project again.
Oh, view projects. Oopsies. Yep. Okay, so applications. So do we view it?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, you just want to, I'm asking you to do review applications there. So that's the application. I really need this project to begin my
Rocket ship designer or the mega website will be fantastic friend.
Okay. So yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, so look at the what are those colours and stuff? How do you,
So
how do you
this
figure
one's
that out?
you've already accepted. This one's declined. So yeah, and this one's your sub supervisor accepted. Why is it dark blue? Why is this the same?
Yeah, see how they're different. But look at the actual. What's the words?
So this is I'm guessing it's the 4th application, 5th application, 9th application, and it's going to please. Supervisor accepted, view application.
Read the green one. What's the green text there?
Student accepted. Okay, so what's the difference between student and supervisor accepted?
So in this, student has to accept and the supervisor has to accept. So they both have to accept.
Okay, understand. So you've already accepted it.
So that
he's already accepted it, and I just need to be able to accept it, and then I'll go through it.
And then it's done.
Cool.
And then the red one is the student declined. So you said yes, or this doesn't matter. The students just declined it. Okay. And you clicked in it and looked through the application to see what it is.
Right. Can you only get 3 applications at a time?
Or you can get as many as you want, or as many groups as there are. If every group applied for the application, it would be all there. So open up an application again.
So which one?
Just anyone.
Okay. Yep.
Sorry. Okay, so there's no actions available because it's already been processed.
Yeah.
So we'll try and find one that's not processed.
Okay, so this student accepted this one. Already processed. Alright, accept.
So go back to what was this? Oh, status supervisor accepted. Okay. Yeah. So it's pretty straightforward. You can look at it, read it. You know what you're doing.
Yep, I can read it.
And what else?
That's the cover letter. That's the status supervisor accepted. Time submitted. team skills, group members. That's the group that that guy is
And
from.
then obviously your actions you can take are
Accept or decline.
yeah.
So that's the only
Okay.
thing you can do.
Yeah, so that's pretty decent, yeah.
Yep.
Viewing student groups.
Student view groups.
That makes sense, doesn't it? Okay.
There's group 1, there's team 1, group is IMB 302 G8. Right?
Yeah. So these are the actual groups that you've accepted. That both they've accepted, you've accepted the application. You can't actually see the view links down there, but that's all right. You get what it is say. You understand
Yeah.
that. Viewing a student's profile.
If I want to view this person, so I click on them,
Just try it out, man.
and it would take me to them, and it would open up it's cool that it opens up a new tab.
Okay.
Blurb, that's about him. Yeah, about me. I already know this. That's our ID profile.
Yeah.
Cool. And I can have that open multiple ones, and I can click like mouse 3 to open it. Cool. Okay, so does this person have a thing, or?
Looks like they don't.
Okay.
Okay, cool. That's
Cool.
it. So what's your take on how everything's made?
Just gotta.
What do you like? What do you don't like?
Oh dear. I would say it's pretty well done. I'm trying to figure out if I can
Just close it.
close it.
No, just close the tab.
Oh dear.
Is it
It's
really-
slowing down. But yeah, I think it's
Just go back to the main page.
yeah. So the projects. Yeah, I think it's pretty. It's simple. It's not like there's not like a ton of clutter. I think it would be cool, maybe if there were like bars on there to like separate it, but that's not completely necessary. Yeah, just to make it more segregated,
The look of
I
it.
guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's just all formatting and stuff. Yeah.
And yeah, I was trying to minimize my web page, the browser, to see about like the text wrapping and stuff, but I'm guessing that already works properly.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Yeah, probably just fonts. Oh, okay, now it's working. Okay, so that works fine. Yeah, so that's just that. I'm guessing people will have it in full screen anyway.
Yeah, but that's just a small style thing we can fix up later. But it just this test's mainly about the functionality.
Cool. Yeah, so the functionality, yeah, it works really well. It's not like buggy like TAFE stuff is, where like you can't like go back and stuff. Because I remember using TAFE, it would go like you try and go back and it would just like poop out on you. It was horrible. So this actually works properly.
What did you think of the student one doing login as
Student Josh. Okay, so we'll log out. So Josh, student login. Alright.
That login's pretty simple, like, straightforward.
Yep. And it brings up, like, it's cool that it instantly brings up all the stuff here. I don't know where the teams are. The text, I guess it's like teamwork.
What are you looking for?
I'm just looking for the other teams, like the individual people.
Okay.
All of them are coming up right now. Group Finder.
Yeah, so what's happened is you've logged in as Jess, right?
Oh, is it because I already have these open?
No. Go back to go back to teamwork. Click on teamwork.
Teamwork? Yep.
So I think when you go into your team,
Oh, you open it up and then it brings you into. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's cool.
but do you think once you're in a group, you won't need to have multiple groups and stuff? Well, you
Like,
can be members of multiple groups actually.
yeah,
Because this is to replace this system called InPlace at QUT, and you can be in multiple groups for different units. So I guess it's possible.
yeah. So we'll open this one up and then it brings me into that one. It changes the group to IMB. Gives you all the members of it.
But perhaps from the teamwork, it'd be nice to have a global and a general.
Yeah, so what
General
is
team.
global actually showing you? Is it like
It's
from
just
all the
everyone.
teams that
I
you're
think
in?
it's just every individual just talks on there. Everyone in place talks on there. Perhaps.
Oh, wow.
Or everyone in your unit, perhaps.
Mm.
Cool. Is there anything else? Yeah. What would you say needs to be done, or something you found difficult? Or...
Not really. I mean, like, for anyone with, like, who's used a web page before, it should be simple enough. Like, if you just look around on the page, you can generally find what you're looking for, unless it's something, like, crazy.
Yeah.
But, yeah, Jesh, it just takes you to this. I'm not sure. Like, generally, I expect, like, drop-down menus when I come to this. So, like, account settings,
Yeah.
all that
Yeah,
stuff.
Okay.
But you'll probably add that in the future if it's necessary. Like log out. Yeah, just like general drop down menus, I guess, just more options.
Just click on the IND 302 one.
This one?
And that's just the group, isn't it?
Yeah, it says 6-minute group. You just add people and
So once you add the group, it relates its link up there. Okay. Yep. So there's nothing else.
No, not really.
Just
pretty good.
Style and layout, simple, easy. Okay, cool.
Man, you got the little color scheme, just white and dark blue, whatever it is.
All right.
It's pretty good.
Cool.
So log out.
Yep.
All right. And end the recording.
Yeah.
All right.